Now, there is one page in your manual that is extremely important. And what I want you to do is I want you to get yourself a sticky note and I want you to put it on page number 10. Because as you look at page number 10, you'll find what is called the Dynamic Hypnotherapy Master Template, okay? Now, this one single page in your manual is the key to you being a successful hypnotherapist and mind coach, because that one page will show you exactly each and every step your client needs to take from the start of a session to the end of a session. So that's your roadmap. And you'll know that if you're going on a journey that you need a roadmap, because once you know exactly where you're going and you have some signposts along the way to confirm that you're still on track, well then suddenly the journey becomes really relaxing. You've time to take a look around. You can look at the scenery, you can look at all the different things that make the journey so pleasant, enjoyable and interesting. Well, it's the exact same with good therapy. You need to know where you're going, and if you have a roadmap, the master template, then you're never going to get stuck. You're never going to get lost, and you will be consistently guiding your client towards success. So take a look at page 10, and I want you to look at the 10 different elements that are on that page. Because what I'm going to do with you in this section of the course is I'm going to demonstrate each and every element that you see there on page 10. And by demonstrating them and showing you how to do them, this gives you the opportunity to experience them just like a client would, but also for you to begin to learn them and to make your own of them. So I'll see you on the next video.